Minerals have formed the basic needs of the society right from the inception of human civilization. The exploration and optimum utilization of minerals and its sustainable development with value addition has been the strategic tool for national development. In the era of globalization and liberalization, it has assumed added significance as minerals and metals constitute vital input for many basic industries, thus contributing about 2.5% of the GDP at present. India, specifically Orissa at present, has become a hub of mineral development for domestic and overseas investors. Mining activities for winning minerals inevitably affect environment, which can be mitigated by adopting scientific mining methods. Scientific development of quarries with production augmentation are achieved in a planned manner using modern excavators and its judicious deployment. The concept of protection of environment has culminated in the form of extensive plantation of diversified species like teak, acacia and subobul within and outside the leasehold areas suitable to local conditions. Massive afforestation schemes have been implemented covering overburdened dumps and haul roads. The man-made vegetation cover has many a times outnumbered the number of trees felled, thus improving the overall forest cover in the mining areas. The massive afforestation proves the extent of post-plantation care being undertaken by the mine managements. Nurseries in mining areas work towards raising of saplings, replacement of casualties, seedlings, and take preventive measures from pathogens, and thus achieve a high survival rate. Effective management of overburden waste generated during the process of mining ensures prevention of air and water pollution due to wash-offs. The overburden is systematically dumped in a pre-planned, non-mineralized zone. Retaining walls and garland drains built around the dumps manage the wash-offs during monsoons. The coir matting is the order of the day. The matting and the growth of shrubs through the coir matting has proved to provide better soil stabilization along the dump slopes, thus putting a step ahead towards eliminating soil erosion and siltation over cultivable lands. The topsoil is stacked separately and utilized for plantation in green belts, waste dumps, reclaimed areas and colonies. Reclamation of mined out area is carried out generally by backfilling the area during the process of mining. This aspect is a crucial part of the mine development cycle. In some cases, water reservoir and ponds have been developed out of the mined out area for public use. The stabilized backfilled area is usually vegetated with extensive plantation suitable for local conditions. The efforts of the Indian Bureau of Mines in periodic monitoring as well as timely guidance has yielded great results. The mine managements have been taking special care to prevent and suppress generation of airborne dust. Wet drilling methods have become the order of the day. Water sprinkling arrangements on the conveyor belts at every possible intervals and at the feeder hoppers of the crushing plants have become regular practice in the mines of Orissa. Apart from water sprinkling to maintain a dust-free haul road, some of the mines are using graders followed by the sprinklers. Controlled blasting with relay and delayed detonators and safety fuse is a technique which minimizes the noise generation and ground vibration in the mining areas. The noise quality is regularly monitored at different machine sites. In order to prevent water pollution due to mine discharge water, the discharge water is guided through channels to settling ponds to settle the suspended solids, and the clean water is then discharged. In chromite areas, effluent treatment plants have been set up for treatment of hexavalent chrome-rich mine discharge water. Ferrous sulfate and alum are added and the treated water is diverted to a natural drainage system for general use. Tailings from wet beneficiation plants are diverted to tailing ponds with zero discharge in few cases. The silt is clogged and settled while clean water is discharged. The blasted run of mine ore is sorted and sized manually and stacked separately grade-wise. The different grades are blended suitably to make it saleable. Some ores are directly fed to crushers for sizing as per the buyer's requirements. Low-grade manganese ore is subjected to beneficiation by jigging process to improve the quality of the ore. The iron ore is upgraded by wet beneficiation methods of sizing, milling, scrubbing and washing, backed by computerized control systems. The subgrade ore generated during the process of mining is stacked separately for future use and partially utilized by blending with high-grade ore. Value addition in any field is a welcome measure. Some of the mines use the overburden waste to make bricks using a hydraulic brick molding machine. Human resource is the precious asset to any establishment. The mine managements, fully understanding the fact, conduct regular training and workshops for the officials at all levels. Mining being one aspect, the managements have been showing great interest in developing and maintaining spots of aesthetic beauty in the mining belts. Neat colonies and perfectly maintained gardens make the otherwise tough life colorful. The mine managements have set up schools for the children of the mine officials as well as children in the peripheral villages. Hospitals equipped with laboratories and operation theatres are run by some of the mine managements. Mobile health camps are regularly organized and free medicines are supplied to the peripheral villages. Vocational training centers are run to impart training on safety, environment and health aspects. Women self-help groups in the surrounding villages are encouraged by imparting vocational training. Establishment of basic necessities such as creche for working women and post office shows the importance given to the community in and around the mining areas. Sports activities are generally encouraged and regular sports and cultural events are sponsored by the mine managements to develop the youth and the children in the area. Of all the activities, the mine managements are keen on providing clean drinking water to the surrounding villages.